Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the RE Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Set, a perfect blend of style and functionality for both work and gaming. This set boasts an ergonomic design that reduces hand fatigue, offering a professional mechanical feel that enhances your experience whether you're typing up reports or diving into your favorite games. The keyboard features a stunning 3 LED backlight, while the mouse offers a colorful 7-color breathing light, making this combo not only practical but visually striking, even in the dark. Built to last, the keyboard keys have a lifespan of 5 million clicks, and the mouse keys 3 million, with 4 adjustable DPI settings ranging from 1200 to 3200 DPI, ensuring precision and durability. Installation is a breeze with no drivers needed, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices including Windows PCs, Macs, Android TV boxes, and more. Plus, you can shop with confidence thanks to a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty for quality issues, backed by a professional customer service team. If you have any questions, the seller is always ready to assist, ensuring a seamless and satisfying purchase experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.